Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at how you can control who can edit a shared folder in the Dropbox mobile app. Whether you're working on a team project or sharing files with friends, it's important to manage permissions to keep your content secure and organized. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the Files section. This will open up a list of all your saved files and folders inside your Dropbox account. Then, scroll through your list and find the folder you want to manage. Once you locate it, tap on the three dots next to the folder name to open the Options menu. Now, select Share from the list of actions. After that, tap on Modify Settings. Here, you will see various permissions related to the folder. Then, choose Who can access. You will now see two main options. Anyone with the link can edit, or only people invited can edit. Pick the option that best suits your privacy needs. Once you've made your choice, tap Update, and finally, press Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Now you know how to control who can edit your folders in the Dropbox app. Managing access ensures your files stay secure, and only the right people can make changes.